Hello everyone, now I'll teach you how to install AutoSew CAD GetonAgain free version. First, unzip the installation package. Open the folder. Right-click on the installation package. Run as an administrator. Click Yes. Click Browse to select the installation path. Click OK. Next. Wait for the installation to complete. Finish. The shortcut will be automatically created on the desktop. And here, open the software. First, register. Follow the prompts to register. After register, click here. And then we can sign in. And you can open the AutoSew CAD. Thank you for watching.